Welcome to the web-based training on cultural preservation. Let's explore how hosts can seize the opportunity to present their country's artistic heritage to their guests. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand how to showcase local art, music, and cuisine, explain the meaning behind traditions, distinguish between cultural appreciation and appropriation, and create opportunities for respectful community experiences. As a host dedicated to cultural preservation in India, you have a unique opportunity to showcase the richness of your country's artistic heritage to your guests. A host can create an enriching and memorable experience that not only showcases the artistic heritage of India but also fosters a deeper appreciation and understanding among guests. This course consists of 4 modules. Let's get started with the first module: Showcasing local art, music, and cuisine. Let's begin with the first module. Importance of showcasing local art, music, and cuisine. It is important to showcase local art, music, and cuisine to guests staying at a homestay for several reasons. This contributes to the guest's experience and the well-being of the local community. It provides a rich, immersive cultural journey for guests while also supporting and preserving local heritage. Let's discuss each local culture one by one. Local art. A visual feast. Adorn your walls with vibrant artwork by local artists. Partner with local galleries or art collectives to display rotating exhibits, showcasing diverse styles and techniques. Handmade touches. Incorporate handcrafted items like pottery, textiles, or sculptures into your decor. This adds a touch of authenticity and allows guests to appreciate local craftsmanship. Souvenir opportunities. Provide information about the artists and their work. Include contact details or business cards in case guests are interested in purchasing a piece to take home. Introducing the melodies of India to homestay guests can be a captivating way to immerse them in the rich and diverse cultural heritage of the country. Following are several strategies to achieve this. Welcome with rhythm. Greet guests with a playlist featuring traditional Indian music genres like Carnatic or Hindustani classical music. Explore regional folk music for a more vibrant and diverse experience. Musical instruments as decor. Display traditional instruments like the sitar or tabla as decorative pieces. Consider leaving informative brochures explaining their history and significance. And live music experiences, optional, if feasible. Collaborate with local musicians to host occasional live music evenings, offering guests a truly immersive cultural experience. Embarking on a culinary journey for homestay guests can be an exciting and immersive way to showcase the rich and diverse flavors of Indian cuisine. Here's how to craft an unforgettable gastronomic experience. Welcome treats. Greet guests with a plate of traditional Indian sweets like laddus or jalebis. This small gesture offers a delightful introduction to Indian flavors. Local ingredient delights. Stock your kitchen with basic Indian spices and condiments like turmeric, coriander powder, and garam masala. Provide easy recipes for guests who want to try their hand at local dishes. And restaurant recommendations. Recommend authentic Indian restaurants in your area, catering to diverse budgets and dietary preferences. Highlight establishments known for family recipes or regional specialties. To create a truly exceptional and memorable experience for homestay guests, going beyond the obvious and adding unique touches can make all the difference. Following are some innovative and thoughtful ways to provide outstanding service. Themed experiences, optional. Offer guests optional add-on experiences like cooking classes with local chefs, learning basic dance moves from a dance instructor, or attending a traditional craft workshop. Cultural insights. Leave a small booklet or information cards in your rental explaining the significance of local art forms, musical instruments, or popular dishes. This sparks curiosity and enhances guest understanding. Respecting traditions. Be mindful of religious dietary restrictions and cultural sensitivities when showcasing local cuisine. Offer a variety of options to cater to diverse preferences. The second module discusses the importance of explaining the traditions. Explaining the traditions to guests is crucial for several reasons. It enriches the guest's experience, fosters cultural understanding, and promotes respect and appreciation for local customs. Let's understand how to explain about the traditions. Being respectful. Know your guests. Briefly explain a tradition before going into detail. See how much they already know and answer any questions they have. No stereotypes. Don't make assumptions about India based on movies or a few experiences. Traditions vary across regions and religions. Respecting beliefs. If a tradition is linked to a religion, explain how it's important without forcing beliefs on anyone. Making a guest stay fun-filled by sharing stories and showing pictures is a fantastic way to create memorable and engaging experiences. Here are some practical and creative ideas to implement this. Story time. Tell interesting stories or legends about traditions. This makes them more exciting to learn about. Pictures help. Show pictures or short videos of traditions being practiced. This gives a clearer idea of what's happening. And hands-on fun. If possible, let guests respectfully participate in simple traditions. This helps them experience it firsthand. Explaining cultural sensitivity to guests respectfully and invitingly can greatly enhance their experience without making them feel pressured. Here are some strategies to achieve this balance. Not all traditions are public, some practices might be private or sacred. Explain them without pressuring guests to participate. Offer choices. If a tradition involves food guests can't eat, suggest alternatives so they can still enjoy the cultural spirit. India's a big place. Let guests know that traditions can be different in different areas of India. There's a lot to discover. Connecting the dots between old and new versions of Indian traditions can provide guests with a deeper understanding of how cultural practices have evolved over time, blending historical significance with contemporary adaptations. Here's how to effectively explain this to guests. Then and now, explain how some traditions are still practiced today or how they've changed over time. Explore more. Recommend places like museums or festivals where guests can learn more about Indian traditions on their own. And learn from guests. Be open to questions and feedback. This helps you understand their culture and refine your explanations. Furthermore, in the third module, we will understand the difference between cultural appreciation and cultural appropriation. Especially in the context of a homestay, involves several key considerations. Imagine you're showing off the cool stuff from your culture to your guests at your Airbnb in India. Here's a simple way to explain the difference between appreciating their interest and disrespectfully borrowing from your culture. Appreciation is like sharing a delicious meal. It is divided into 3 categories, which include trying new flavors. Guests are curious about Indian culture and want to learn more. They might try wearing a scarf or eating a new dish with an open mind. Respecting the recipe. Guests ask questions and show genuine interest in understanding the traditions behind things like clothing or food. And sharing the experience. You can show them how to wear the scarf properly or explain the spices in the dish. Everyone enjoys learning and experiencing something new together. Appropriation is like taking someone's dessert without asking. Just for looks, guests wear a traditional outfit as a costume without understanding its significance or showing respect. Disrespectful borrowing. Guests might mock or make fun of cultural practices without understanding their meaning or history. And it feels wrong. It makes you feel uncomfortable or disrespected when someone uses things from your culture carelessly. Here's the key point about respect and understanding and taking versus sharing. Appreciation involves showing respect for another culture and seeking to understand it better. Appropriation occurs when someone takes something from a different culture without comprehending or valuing its significance, often for their own entertainment. Remember, when guests show genuine interest and respect, it's a chance to share the beauty of Indian culture. But if it feels disrespectful, explaining why it might not be appropriate politely is okay. In this module, we will discuss about creating opportunities for respectful community experiences. To connect with your neighborhood, the following should be kept in mind. Welcome your neighbors. Introduce yourself and your Airbnb operation to your neighbors. This fosters understanding and reduces potential concerns. Community events. Encourage guests to participate in local events like festivals, cultural gatherings, or volunteer projects. This allows them to interact with the community in a meaningful way. And respect local customs. Inform guests about local dress codes, noise levels, and etiquette when interacting with neighbors. Promote respectful behavior within the community. Supporting local businesses is a crucial aspect of fostering cultural appreciation and sustainability within a homestay. Here are several ways in which homestay hosts can support local businesses. Shop local. Stock your Airbnb with essentials from local shops and markets. This supports small businesses and adds a touch of local flavor to your rental. Recommend local gems, promote nearby restaurants, cafes, shops, and artisans in your welcome message or listing description. Highlight family-run businesses or places known for their authentic offerings. And partner with local businesses, collaborate with local businesses to offer unique experiences for your guests. This could include cooking classes with local chefs, guided market tours with artisans, or discounted rates at eco-friendly restaurants. Following sustainable practices in homestay businesses is essential for minimizing environmental impact, preserving local culture, and ensuring long-term economic benefits for the community. Here are several ways in which homestay hosts can implement sustainable practices. Waste management: follow local waste disposal guidelines and encourage guests to do the same. Educate them on recycling practices in your area, if applicable. Water conservation: implement water-saving practices in your rental, low-flow fixtures, towel reuse, and communicate the importance of water conservation to guests. Every drop counts in India. And responsible tourism: encourage guests to minimize their environmental footprint during their stay. This could include using public transportation, opting for eco-tours, or conserving energy on Airbnb. Empowering guests during their homestay can significantly enhance their experience, foster a sense of community, and promote sustainable practices. Here are several ways to empower guests. Learn basic Hindi. Provide a few essential Hindi phrases like hello, thank you, and excuse me on a card or in your house guide. This empowers guests to interact confidently with locals. Cultural activities: inform guests about cultural events or festivals happening during their stay. Attending a local celebration allows them to immerse themselves in Indian culture. Feedback loop: encourage guests to provide honest feedback after their stay. Use their feedback to improve your hosting experience and ensure your Airbnb contributes positively to the community. Remember, by promoting respectful interaction with your neighborhood, supporting local businesses, and encouraging sustainable practices, your Airbnb can become a positive force in your Indian community. It can offer guests a unique and culturally enriching experience while also contributing to the well-being of your local area. Thank you for attending this course. Let's meet in the next course.